Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to set your Lexus garage door opener. This easy method will have your home link system ready in just a few minutes. First, ensure your Lexus is parked safely near your garage door. You will also need your original garage door remote control. Find the 3 home link buttons, usually on your overhead console or rearview mirror. Before programming, we need to clear any existing settings. Press and hold the 2 outer home link buttons, usually buttons 1 and 3, at the same time. Keep holding them for approximately 20 seconds. You will see the indicator light above the buttons begin to flash rapidly. Once it flashes quickly, release both buttons to confirm the memory is cleared. Now let's program your remote. Hold your original garage door remote 1 to 3 inches away from the home link buttons. Simultaneously press and hold your chosen home link button and the button on your garage remote. Continue holding both until the home link indicator light changes from a slow flash to a rapid flash. Then, release both buttons. For the final step, go to your garage door opener motor and press its Learn or Smart button. You will have about 30 seconds to return to your Lexus. Once inside, press and hold the newly programmed home link button for 2 seconds, then release. Repeat this press and release action 2 or 3 times until your garage door activates, completing the syncing process.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.